Hi, it's Karen Roth, Holistic Nutritionist, and today I wanted to share with you some information that has hit the news recently. The FDA has finally recognized that there are potentially harmful ingredients in sunscreens that we use all throughout the summer. And the Environmental Working Group actually tested and reviewed 1,300 different types of sunscreens, and they found that 2/3 of those sunscreens, not only were they not effective, they didn't meet their SPF 30 or SPF 50, but they also had potential harmful ingredients. Now the FDA did announce they did recognize that 2 ingredients did cause harm to health, and that was PABA and trolamine salicylate. And they're going to be launching a review of 12 different ingredients in sunscreens, and they will be releasing the report by the end of the year. As summer rolls in, just remember that you can do other things to protect yourself from the sun, like wearing hats, long sleeves, sitting in some shade. But if you do want to wear sunscreen, just remember that you can go to ewg.org and click on their 2019 sunscreen guide. They have hundreds of sunscreens that have been rated for their effectiveness and for their safety level. I hope you found this information helpful, and I hope you enjoyed the summer the healthy way.